Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to start exercise 3.4, anti-logarithm of the number. Now, method of finding anti-logarithm of a number is same as we find the logarithm of a number. The only difference is that how you move your decimal point using the value of the characteristic, and you look for the value of the anti-logarithm, mantissa values in the log table, but you look in the uh, page which is headed by anti-logarithm, at the top of which the heading anti-logarithm is given. Now, question number 1, part 1 is 1.2508. Now, leave the characteristic and check your value 0.25 in the column which is headed by 0. The value is 1778. Again, check the value of 0.25 in the difference columns, and which is headed by 8, and the value is, the difference is 2, and your final value is 1780. Now place the decimal point after the first non-zero digit, which is 1.780. Now move your decimal point according to the characteristic of the given question, which is 1 in our case. So it becomes 17.80, as characteristic was 1, so we moved our decimal point in the forward or in the right direction one digit. It becomes 17.80. So anti-logarithm of 1.2508 is 17.80. Now question number 4 is minus 2.2508. Now the difference is, in this case characteristic is minus 2. How you move your decimal point when your characteristic is negative? For the mantissa, follow the same steps as you have done in the previous questions, that check the value of 0.25 in the 0 column. The answer is 1778. Again, in the difference columns, which is headed by 8, the difference is 2, and your final answer is 1780. Place the decimal after the first non-zero digit. Now move your decimal point according to your characteristic. It becomes mine, as the characteristic is minus 2, move your decimal point 2 digits in the left direction. As only one digit is present, use a 0 or place a 0 and put your decimal point before that 0. It becomes 0.01780. So anti-logarithm of minus 2.2508 is 0.01780. Now, exercise 3.4, question number 2 is find the value of x. This is the same question. You just have to find the value of anti-logarithm. You just have to do a additional step in this case. That is, find the log of x is minus 3.0253, and you have to find the value of x. Now in this case, take the anti-log on both sides. Now by taking anti-log, log and anti-log, they are cancelled out, and x is left on this side, and on the other hand side you have to find the anti-log of minus 3.0253. Now leave the value of the characteristic. Check out the value of 0.02 in anti-logarithm page, 0.02 in the column which is headed by fifth, number 5. The value is 1059. Again check the value of 0.002 in the column which is headed by 3 in the difference columns. So it becomes 1059 plus 1, 1060. Now place the decimal point just after the first non-zero digit. It becomes 1.060. Now move your decimal point according to your characteristic. The characteristic is minus 3. So move the decimal point 3 digits in the left direction, as 2 digits were missing, so we have used 2 zeros. So it becomes anti-log of minus 3.0253 is 0.001060.